Hi, welcome to DL4JRA. In this video, we are going to play around with the MQTT signaling function of DL4JRA. The MQTT protocol used is EMQX, which is an open source MQTT protocol. You don't have to visit or download anything from EMQX for this to function well, but do note that since it is open source, when you are connected to it, you will need to look out for your privacy, especially when using the webcam. Okay, let's start. So click on continue for MQTT signaling. You will arrive at this page. This is where you can put the signal name or the destination name here. And to properly demonstrate how this works, open another tab of the React app. Then open any function you want to test on. The easiest one to demonstrate is the generate dataset function. We'll click on that, set it up like how you would set it up to generate a dataset. Then click on add configuration. Then you will see this yellow box. It states the broker's address and signal name here. This is the name that we'll put in the box, in the MQTT signaling box. And click on connect. Okay, as you can see here, my camera is just showing the OBS virtual camera menu. Go back to the other tab. Put the signal name in the box. In this case, it's already inside the box. Click signal and it's done. Let's go back to the other tab to see what happened. There, you can see that the MQTT signal sends a signal to activate the function, so it has taken a screenshot of the dataset. Let's check the dataset folder, and you can see that there's the image of the OBS virtual camera menu. And that's how MQTT signaling works. You can also use this function with your IoT devices and also Node-RED MQTT signaling. That is all for MQTT signaling tutorial for DL4JRA. Thank you.